the tears won't dry, when your heart is heavy and you don't know why. You've been walking through shadows, feeling so alone. But hold on, my sister, you're closer than you know. Every pain has a season, every storm has an end. Even broken hearts can learn to beat again. Joy comes in the morning, don't you lose your faith. After every dark night, there's a brighter day. You may cry for a moment, but it won't stay. Joy comes in the morning, it's on the way. You've been praying in silence, nobody can see all the strength it takes just to believe. But every whispered prayer, every tear you cried, heaven's been listening, you're not denied. Though the road feels heavy and the wait is long, there's a promise rising, just hold on strong. Joy comes in the morning, don't you lose your faith. After every dark night, there's a brighter day. You may cry for a moment, but it won't stay. Joy comes in the morning, it's on the way. The sun will rise again, your heart will heal again. What was meant to break you will build you in the end. So wipe your tears tonight, everything's gonna be alright. Morning light is coming, just keep holding on. Joy comes in the morning, I can see